Ineno kalatvlive. Kalatvlive machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Akaw mos mag janeno mar kalatvlive kamora mora maintie mokwongo atimo mos kuom ng'ikruok maka kod kacha mamiyo chako weche manyien
that approximately 4.7 million Kenyans between the ages of 15 and 65 currently use at least one drug or substance of abuse. And behind these numbers are broken families, disrupted education, lost economic opportunities, increased crime, mental health challenges, and lives cut short by addiction and substance use.
Mwingine. Kisha tunaanza kujiuliza yule mtoto ikiwa bado yuko katika shule na ameanza kutumia ule uraibu, itakuwaje akishamaliza shule atakuwa yuko vipi?
Opok mar omenda maromo kanyo bilion 784.5 adhi kanyo.
With this budget, we want to affirm our commitment to continue addressing some of the systematic challenges that have faced this sector. This sum has been raised from what we received last year, which was 702 billion to 700. Growing this number to ensure that our schools are optimally staffed. We've had long discussions with TSC that other than including the increment of teachers, we need to do harmonization and rationalization of our teachers, because some schools have more teachers while others do not have.
Kwethno ena bende koro pingo sirikal mapacho kae ndi poko ng'iso ajenda margi mora mora. Omero jiwo kanyo ganda mawuok ibo mar piny Kenya mondo ne ka kinde yiero biro chopo gichung motegno kod ker mapacho kae ndi migosi William Ruto e dok e telo tielo mar ariyo ka Ruto nosingo mar bende biro dwoko lwete kochopo kanyo higa mar 2032.
Mimi huwa naona mbali sana. Hii watu wa upinzani hakuna mahali wanaenda. Leo hii IEBC
MCS go ochiwo dwaro mar kanyo ndalo 7 mar yudo ler ewi kaka pesa mag dongruok osebedo ka tiyo e kaunti nendo ma Homa Bay. Makuko MCS go otingo kanyo Vikins Bondo mano endo mabende wuok kanyo eko Kasipul otingo kanyo Milka Orone kinde MCS mamoko.
Nwachako gimoro kaka assembly miluongo ne projects man waketo teno okotim, but iko omenda ariyo machien gi nyaka samo wuene eting'e ne onge gimosetime. And wan wakwayo governor marwa Gilange giwuog oko gi explain ne Homa Bay County. To kiweyo mar Ward Base ni wan gi flagship bende ma koro projects madongo ma county executive timo gande ka chiwa moko accident and emergency unit. Keng'eyo allocation moseketo is about 450 million. To ng'iyane gimosetim cha ka bo commensurate gi pesa ma wasetimore nade kata ka borom gi pesa ma wasetengo kaka county assembly. And then theater Momboga ne wa allocate 15 million e cha Kwame slab level kanyo. Maternity wing gi newborn unit at Gotkojoi mano in the car majority leader embo Kwame slab. Riwa Industrial Park Nentiere, it was a matching fund. Serikal mamalo golo 250, serikal mapiny be gola ngoa 250 pesa.
MCA representing West Kasipul Ward in the County Assembly of Homa Bay. There are projects that I placed in the budget that we budgeted for as the County Assembly, and we christened them as ward-based projects. To my disappointment, none of these projects has been implemented to date. We are therefore calling upon the county government of Homa Bay to come out clearly and to explain to the people why these projects in all the 40 wards have not been implemented.
Like Ashagwa, who pretend to be the spokesman of the community and try to bring a bad name. I want to tell Kenyans, I will separate Kashagwa, who is a bad apple, from the good people of Kenya. And I am on his case daily until